Hi everybody, I'm going to do an airbrush technique today. This is I believe 10 by 10 inch wood panel from Blick. I'll show you what it is. It is this. Hopefully that is in screen. And I just got little squeeze bottles, so hopefully that makes squeezing out the paint a little easier. It does. And for orange. Whoa. And deep violet, I don't have a squeeze bottle for, so I'll just pour very carefully. And all these paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, no silicone at all. Now for the airbrush. So pretty! I'm going to torch from far away so not to get more white cells. A little bit of. Want to get a couple little cells in there. I love it. It's so cool, fiery. And that deep violet had iridescent medium in it, so there should be a little bit of iridescence to this piece, which will really be something special to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.